Hello guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to explain one of the most used and important functions in Microsoft Office, which is conditional functions. There are different conditional functions such as SUMIF, COUNTIF, and more conditional functions. As for today's tutorial, I'm going to explain SUMIF. Let us get started. Here we have SUMIF and SUMIFs. SUMIFs is the same as SUMIF, but it lets you use multiple criteria. Let us start with SUMIF. Write this formula. Select fruit column, comma. I'm going to select the value that I want to look for. It's in this cell, but it's hidden due to the function. I'm going to type it manually. Cell number is C17. Select the amount column. Close the bracket. You can choose the fruit that you want. And here it shows you the amount of the fruit that you chosen. Here you have the drop down list. I have already made a tutorial about drop down list. I'm gonna put link in the description. Let us go to SUMIFs. Write this formula. Select amount column. And then fruit column, comma. Select this cell. Select type column, comma. Here we have type, but it's hidden due to the function. I'm going to type it again manually. Cell number is G17. Close the bracket. As you can see here, we used multiple criteria. We have fruit and type. Change fruit, type. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.